Hey everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we are going to be talking about zucchini. I don't know if you can see that. Every year we have tons and tons and tons of zucchini, and so I make relish from it. We make, of course, slicing and doing fried zucchini, grilled zucchini. We make cashew chicken that has lots of zucchini in it. We do lots of things with zucchini, but I stumbled across a recipe and it was so simple and super tasty, and so I thought I would share it. I tweaked it a little bit because I felt like it was a little bit bland, so I'm going to share with you this super quick and easy recipe, and you can serve it up. Like if you're like us, every Saturday we watch the OSU game. We're OSU fans, and I always make like some appetizers and stuff. This recipe is the perfect appetizer for that, for just a party or whatever. So I'm gonna get to this because this is super fast and easy. Let's get rid of our final zucchinis. So we're just gonna clean up our zucchinis by chopping off the end. Of course, you probably should leave that other end to have something to hold on to. I have a little mechanism, but let me get through these and then we'll talk about that. So now I have the mandolin set to very, very thin. These are very, very thin pieces, and I'm just gonna go through the bowl and cut. Okay, now I have this beautiful bowl of sliced very thin zucchinis, and that took all of, I don't know, 3 minutes. Now I'm taking, I probably won't use all of this, but I'm just gonna watch. I want all of these zucchini to have lots of salt on them, because it's gonna cause them to sweat. And we want to try to get some of the wetness out of them. Zucchinis are mostly made of water, which can be good, but for this recipe we want to get some of that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, while the zucchini is hanging out after I gave it a massage, it's just chilling and releasing its water. So I'm going to take the whites from the chicken eggs. What I will say, so I'm using 6 zucchini and I'm going to use 6 egg whites. Just use whatever, it's the zucchini to egg ratio. So if you have 2 zucchini, use 2 eggs. So I'm gonna get to that. Oh my goodness, this was just laid. It is very warm. So I am going to open this. Oh, look at those beautiful yolks.
Nice and dark orange.
Mm-hmm, our chickens are healthy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we will save those yolks for something else. Okay, so we've got those separated, but I wanted to share with you this really neat gift that I received. It is a cordless mixer that my aunt got me. She is very supportive of our farm and the channel, and she's really wonderful, but this is cordless. That's how I can mix outside without having to run a big extension cord. So I'm gonna whip up my whites. For the next step, I'm going to take the zucchini by the handfuls and just squeeze. Ooh. Squeeze as much water as you can out of there. Squeeze. What do you think, Jed?
I think it looks like it looks like it's peeing.
Okay, and dump them in an opposite bowl. Okay, so these are now officially squeezed, and I'm going to add flour to these. Now, I just add my seasonings in my flour. So right here I have flour, smoked paprika, granulated garlic, black pepper, and chili powder. And I'm just going to sprinkle this kind of liberally over the zucchini. You want to give the zucchini a little texture so that your egg whites have something to stick to. So you just kind of massage that in. If you massage that in and like mix it over and you think that it needs a little more after you start turning, go ahead and add a little more. It's fine. You don't want them coated like we're frying chicken, but you do want them to have a little bit of texture so that it can cling on to your zucchini. Okay? And then, okay, now we are ready to add the egg whites. Okay, now we have our hot skillet. The little pieces in there are actually from my spoon, but you just want to do little dollops. You can use any vegetable oil that you like. I'm using coconut oil. We love coconut oil in our house. That one's probably too big. Just like that. Probably 2 tablespoons. Maybe bigger. This pan is my mom's. She has fried hundreds and hundreds of meals in this pan. Okay, Elijah, I put some sour cream on it. You could do sour cream and sriracha. That would be really good.
So good.
In the recipe that I saw, it was sour cream and sweet chili. That would be delicious. But I'm feeding little kids, not Elijah, but little kids. And so I kept it just at sour cream. But you could even have an herby sour cream with dill. What do you think, Elijah?
This is so good. I love this. This would definitely go good with sriracha.
Would it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that it's seasoned well?
Yeah, it's
okay.
like seasoned perfect. Like, I love it.
Okay.
This is a really good recipe.
Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try these.
It's so good.
Yeah, they look good. They look delicious.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's really good. Oh, you would never know that this is zucchini. Although I love the flavor of zucchini. I think that it's really light. It's not, if you want to make it kind of heavier or breadier, I would put in panko or something like that to actually like give it more substance, because these are kind of, we bit into it, hang on. These are kind of
Floppy.
Yeah, floppy. They're delicious.
They're so good.
They're sort of addictive. But this is a way to use up your zucchinis. I know that we all start running out of ways, especially at the end of the season, of what to do with zucchinis. I found another great recipe for cabbage patties that I'm gonna do a video on. So I just love to be able to have tons and tons of recipes for every vegetable that we grow. And cabbage and zucchini are one of those very versatile ingredients that you can actually do that with. So this is good. You could also dip this, use an herby sour cream that you put in, like dill would be really, really good in it.
Dill would be super good.
Yeah, or maybe take some dried minced onion ahead of time and mix it into your sour cream, and then that way it's kind of an oniony taste. Wouldn't you say that would be good?
I feel like is it like a garlic or something already taste?
Yeah.
I don't think you need onion.
You don't?
I think it's pretty good the way it is. If it was just like a little bit more solid, it'd be so good.
So maybe the suggestion is panko in all of that. So anyway, this is good, very light. We're actually gonna eat this for dinner. We're gonna grill some salmon and have salmon and these zucchini fritters, maybe?
Kinda.
Is that a fritter?
Let's go with it.
Yeah. I think actually an addition of green onion in it too would be really good. In the actual zucchini batter. That might be really good. Anyway, I hope that you try it. If you try it and you love it, put it in the comments below. Or if you change the recipe, put it in the comments below and let us know. I love to cook. I especially love to cook with things that we are all growing in our gardens, because what's the point of the garden if we're not all cooking? Right?
Yeah.
So
I mean, it's just a waste.
That's right. So remember, if we can make zucchini fritters, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.